Hi, how are you? My name is Roxana and welcome to my neck of the woods. In this video, I'm going to talk about two Tabbys, Coach Tabby purses. One is the pre-loved leather chain Tabby and the other one is this one. It is the Twisted Tabby. I looked at this bag quite a few months ago, like when it first came out. I want to say it was about 6 months ago, and I really liked the look of it. I like how it's twisted over here, or just this design of it. I like how the C is kind of slanted, and it was $495 and I did not want to spend that much for it. Then I saw that some of the colors went on sale. Like the black one, I think it's still $495, so almost $500.
Nope, I was wrong. It looks like Dillard's has the black Twisted Tabby for $297.
So when I saw that it was on sale, I grabbed the fuchsia one.
Well, it looks like Belk has the fuchsia Tabby for sale for $346, which is a little bit more expensive than the black one.
I know, this is not the fuchsia one. And guess what happened, you guys? I grabbed it from Dillard's. It was on sale for with everything. It was costing me like $360 something, and it got delivered to the wrong address. I contacted FedEx. They said, no, you have to contact Dillard's. I contacted Dillard's and they're all like, sorry, we delivered it to the wrong address. I went up and down the street, on my street, to find the address, but because I did get a confirmation email that it was delivered to the address, but again, it wasn't my address. It was one down the street. I went looking for the house and I couldn't find it. Then I contacted my credit card. It was a Chase credit card, and they did reimburse me the money. I got this from, where did I get it from? I got it from Amazon, and it was $391.
Not $391. I paid $321 for the bag, but now on Amazon you can get it for $308 in the moonlight color. You can also get this bluebell color, which is a lovely bag, and it's about $284 or $86, so a little bit less money. Also, I am very tempted to get this lovely bag from Amazon. It is in my cart. It comes up to be $175. I don't think I'm gonna get another Tabby, but it is very tempting for the price. They did have the fuchsia.
It was more expensive, but I just wanted more of the look of the bag, not necessarily the color. The color, I do have fuchsia. Oh, this is new. I'll talk about this one in another video, another Coach. But I do have quite a bit of that fuchsia hot pink color. I don't have anything of this color. I do have something similar, so I decided to get this bag. Now, I've already wore this bag twice. I do like the leather tag on it. It has a side pocket. I like the Tabby a lot. I like that it has the different handles. I like to wear crossbody, mostly crossbody. So it does look pretty good crossbody. I like the way it hangs just so. You know, Coach is generous with their crossbody straps. I like that a whole lot. Now, lately, I've been wearing my bags on the shoulder like this, and it works. It works for me. I like the option of doing that. Now, when I wear it crossbody, I just take this handle off, this strap off, and leave it at home. It has a pocket over here. It also has 2 compartments. I'm learning that I do like the organization type bags, or I like it to have different compartments. I didn't think I liked that. And I'm starting to really enjoy bags that are a little bit smaller and not quite as big as, oh, I don't think you can see my Empire there. That's a little bit too big for me. So the other thing, it has a zip compartment over here to keep things safe. I don't suppose I'm gonna be wearing it much now. We are in October of 2025, so we're starting to get into the cold months. Now, Do you see how it kind of crinkles a little bit? It wrinkles a little bit. I noticed that when I first got it, and now that I wore it, it does have a little bit of crinkling wear to it. I don't mind that at all. I like my things not to be perfect. I kind of like the little imperfections in it, but I'm very happy of getting this twisted bag. Again, I like things that are just a little bit different, a little bit off.
The Twisted Moonlight Tabby is my second tabby. The first one is this lovely tabby.
Whatnot. I have a love-hate relationship with Whatnot. I paid for this one under $200. I don't remember. I think it was like $175. I like the color of this. I like everything about this tabby. I like how pretty it is. I believe I looked it up, and I think this is 2022, and I think this sold just at the outlet, I think, but I'm not sure. I like the pattern of it. I like the velvet look to it. It does have a pocket back here, and then I know I have a strap on inside, yes, to wear it crossbody. It doesn't say what type of leather this is. This one, I think I forgot to show you guys. It does say what type of leather it is. See it? Let's see. Let me see what it says. It says the Tabby bag, genuine glove tanned leather. Do you see it? You see it? Am I gonna get any more tabbies? I don't think so. Initially, I really wanted to get, I don't remember the name of it, but I will try and get a picture over here. I looked at that tabby many months ago when I bought the Empire, and it still hasn't gone on sale. Maybe I will get that one when it goes on sale. Okay, now I'm gonna let you watch me unbox the pre-loved chain tabby, and that was a few months ago. Let me tell you what's in this box. It is another tabby. I've been looking at this for a very long time. The other thing that's in this box, and I will have to do a video on it later, it is this strap. Now I bought this strap for my Gucci bag, or maybe it is real, maybe it is not. I put out the video on it, and I was so surprised. It's actually my alarm. It's actually one of the most viewed videos, which I don't get a whole lot of views. I'm very new to YouTube. Well, I've been here for a while, but I've been hit and miss. Anyway, I did a video about how I think that this bag is fake, and I've been having people in my comments telling me that it is real. I'm still 50-50 on it. I know I don't need a serial number to authenticate it, but I will do a whole video, another video on this bag. I am doing more research to see if it's real or if it's not, because if it is real, I got an excellent deal on it. But I bought this from Amazon for $10, and it is, you know, it's got the colors of Gucci. So since this may not be real, I decided to use this band for it. Like I said, we'll see that in another video. And let's just get on with the tabby. Ever since the Loved collection, spoiler alert, it's the Loved Leather. Ever since it came out, I've been dying to get a piece of it. I've spent so much money on bags lately. There's other ones that I will do unboxings on. You've probably already seen some of it, that I just couldn't justify spending $550 on a tabby, on another Coach piece, and I really couldn't justify spending money on the Twist tabby either. But because I used my points, which now, thank God I'm not gonna fly anywhere anytime soon. I don't have any points to fly. I would have to pay for my tickets. So anyway, here it is. I am so excited about this bag. Super excited. So this is the chain tabby. It was originally $500, $550. That is how much I paid for it. And oh Lord, is it gorgeous. So it is silver. The other thing that I really like about this tabby is that It comes with a charm already. I absolutely love charms. See, here are the charms. Let's see if we can unhook these. Oh, it has the dice and it has the key. So it has the dice and yeah, there it is. It has the key and the key says Coach on it. That's pretty cool, huh? And then it talks about this is a Coach bag, hand distressed with a rub-off technique used to reveal the base color underneath, giving the leather a love-worn look. Each bag is unique and will develop more character with use. This leather was made to be loved. And oh, there's so much stuff to undo. I am definitely not returning this bag. I'm gonna keep this hopefully forever in my collection. So I foresee this bag. I see this bag. There's the Coach tag. I see this bag as something you would wear in like a futuristic look or a futuristic movie. Like I can see the earth being scorched and people are scrapping by, and I see that's one of the ladies that's just scrapping by. She's gonna go on a first date and she's gonna wear one of these bags. Oh my gosh, this chain. I will probably wear this chain around the neck. I'm pretty sure I will do that. But when I do wear the purse, I will definitely let the chain be part of the purse, part of the decor, because I think it is so pretty. It is not heavy. Neither is the other tabby, the Twist Tabby. I find it that it's not heavy. Unlike the Empire. The Empire is already heavy. Oh gosh, this is so nice. This is so nice. The Empire is heavy even when it's empty. Okay, so I think the other tabby has a zipper, but this one doesn't have a zipper, but there still looks like it's 3 different compartments in here. Let me see if I got this correctly. Oh, here it is. It tells you what kind of leather it is. This leather is so soft. It's just lovely. It is the Tabby bag, genuine full grain leather. Look at this. This is so nice. It has a pocket. This is so industrial looking. I really like this bag. I do have 2 different moto jackets. One is pink, one is green. So I do plan on wearing that with the moto jackets. It's just lovely. Let me go. I have to go, but I'm sure you're gonna see me in a little bit where I talk more about the bag. All right, you guys, take care. Okay, so let me tell you about this tabby. I've been wearing this quite a bit. It's been my go-to bag ever since I got it for a little over a month. Again, I wear it this way, right? Underneath my shoulder. I like how it fits. And of course, I had to get the charm, the cassette charm. I mean, I'm an 80s kid, you know. Am I Generation X? I think I'm Generation X. Gen X. And this brings back a whole bunch of memories. Kate Spade has film charm. Like, you know, the old school films that we used to go and get it developed. That was before we had all this cameras and on our phones and things of that nature. I missed that charm. It got sold out, but I wouldn't mind getting that charm. Okay, let's talk about this tabby. I am loving it. The only thing I don't like about it, it's kind of hard to, oh, now of course it won't do it on video. It's kind of hard to snap, but really that's it. That's the only complaint I have about it. I like how soft it is. I wear it on the shoulder. I also wear it crossbody, right? It is a little bit heavier because of the chain. When I do wear it crossbody, just like the other one, I take the handle off because it's just too much handle. Now, the other thing that I have done with this bag is I've taken the chain off and wore it as a necklace. So I would wear it as a necklace. It's got that rocker look. I can't think of the genre, like sci-fi movies, really, basically, that you would see you would see something like this in there, like Mad Max movies, those kind of type of movies. Now this one is a little bit different. It has, instead of the slip pocket, it has a zip pocket over here. I don't think I've used it. Oh, okay, I put my tags in here. Inside, it still has compartments. I always have one of these bags in there. It has 2 compartments, right? It doesn't have the zip compartment like this Tabby does. And then it has a pocket over here that you can put, you know, your wallet or things of that nature. Yeah, the other thing that I really enjoy about this is that it comes with the charms. I think I've already showed them. I imagine I'll be wearing this a lot more. Like I think I mentioned in the video that I do have a moto jacket that I think it will look good with it, a pink moto jacket. I'm so very happy with these 2 Tabbies. And how did I pay for it? Let me tell you. So both of these I got on Amazon, right? And I didn't know that Coach was sold on Amazon, but you know, you're on YouTube long enough, you find all kinds of things. And when I went on Amazon, I wanted to make sure that I used a certain credit card so I can get points, right? And it gave me the options to use my points on the credit card. Now, I was going to buy this one. I really wanted to get this one, but it was a lot of money. So I ended up using my points. I didn't think I could use my points, but now I know I can use my points. Oh my Lord, it is so hot. My camera was totally running out of battery and I could see it was getting darker and darker, so I switched to my phone. I know this video is all over the place. Let's get back to using points for buying bags. Okay, I've used my points in the past to buy plane tickets, not bags. I was very happy to see that I could use my points to buy bags, and these days I'm very tempted to use my points. However, I'm not. Recently, I went on a cruise with my parents and other family members, and I was able to use my points on my credit card to buy my ticket and my parents' tickets. And it was about as much as these 2 bags, you know? So of course, it all depends. You can do whatever you want with your money, with your points. These days, I'm going to choose and keep them for future travel. Now, it doesn't mean that I haven't spent money. I've spent a lot of money. I've got a bunch of different new bags, and hopefully like this Marc Jacobs one, I'm hoping to do videos on them in the upcoming days. Oh man, it's hot. I really wanted to get these videos out on the Tabbys. I've bought them about a month and a half, 2 months ago. And I thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in the next video. Feel free to like this video, share it, comment if you like to comment. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.